To grow a small account, let's look at free margin, margin, equity, balance, and margin level. This is important. You can be able to take your $10 to grow it into $100 or even $1,000 only if you understand this, all right, so that you can apply it the proper way. If you've actually been watching my videos, you know that I take small accounts, but then you gotta understand that if right now I take a $28 account to a 2,000, most cases I don't actually do that. There's a certain way for you to trade. There's a certain way for you to actually make trades. So I don't want you to be hyped. I don't want to be, I'm not here to sell you dreams, just to be specific. I'm here to teach you so that you understand what is going on, what you need to do. The free margin, it's money that you should risk. Money is risk. Money that you're willing to risk. If you have, here you can see there's 0.70. If you have 50 here on free margin, then let's say your risk is $10. Then your $10 will be actually minus from here once you make a loss if the trade didn't go as planned. I trust you do understand. Now, the margin, it's money that is going to be secured. If right now you've deposited here $50, just for example, or you've deposited $500, just to keep it much better for you, everybody, to understand. Now, the $500 will minus the $6, and then you are left with what? We are left with the balance that you, if right now you've minus the 6 from the 500, then you'll be left with 400 and something here on free margin. Then you can now risk what? You can risk the 10. It is easy to understand it in that way. I trust you understand. I trust you understand. Now, free margin is number one. If you pay attention here, can you see on free margin we have 4? What it means that if right now I'm already in profit or I take a trade, if I say right now I take 10 trades, and these 10 trades, what you will do, it's easy. You take what? You take the 10, or you take the 4, divide by 10. What do you get? Just use our calculator together. Let's count together so that we make sure that we understand in a better way. 4 divided by 10, which will give you 0.40, which is the amount of money that you are risking. Amount of money that you are risking is 0.40. Now, you can't risk 0.40 per trade because of what? Because of market structure, how the market moves, making higher prices, making lower prices. You can't do that. What you can do, you can actually make sure that you are risking what? At least $10. So if I'm risking $10, then I will say 10 times by 100, which will give me $100, which means I have to have $100 on the account. Plus what? Plus this margin. So that is why it's important to understand how to grow a small account. You can't just grow a small account if you don't understand what you need to do. So this is the best way for you to actually understand how we grow a small account. Now, if you see me been trading, if you go to our YouTube channel, you've seen me trading such small account, growing such small account. Please pay attention that such small account, if I take them, the risk already, the amount that I was risking, I've already moved it to my main wallet account. I'm just now left with what? I'm left with the money that can actually go to break even. Break even, which means I'm going to lose this money that you see here on margin. Now on margin, if right now you have money on margin, this money on margin is money not meant not to be lost. You can't lose this money. If you lose 50% of this money, you will actually blow the account, which means your trade will be closed automatically. You don't have to do anything. The trade will be closed automatically. Now on equity is money that you easily is floating in profit, or is profit is actually in what? In a loss. So here you can't do much of work. You can't do anything here on equity. Some brokers, they allow you to what? To have the equity if you're in profit, so that you can be able to add more trade, which means they're allowing you to risk more. But with the brokers that I'm using, such as Reef, For those who don't have a trading account, what you will do, this is our YouTube channel. You subscribe. First thing, you go to videos and you watch this tutorial here for you to open a trading account. Then you click here and you click, this is the broker that we're using. So they do not allow you to use what? To use the money that you see here that you're profiting, that goes to equity, then it goes to free margin, because the app automatically counts for you. So they do not allow you to use that amount. The reason why, they want you to actually practice to be responsible when it comes to risk. So some brokers, they allow you to have more money on free margin based on that you are making a profit. Some brokers, they even add what we call credit. But this credit you're not supposed to lose. So they are aiding you to actually risk more. I trust it makes sense for you. So the way for you to actually make money is bet or grow a small account is to have a risk to reward ratio that is 1:4. If you are risking $1, at least profit $4. If you are risking $10, at least profit $40. If you are risking 100, you profit 400. If you are risking 1,000, you profit 4,000. This way you'll be safe. This way you'll be able to make money. I trust you understand. So if you have any difficulties, you have some questions, this is what you need to do. I trust you understand. So if you want to ask me anything, there's something the way you do not understand, please feel free to do so. So this is how you'll be able to risk. All right. Now on margin level is a monitoring tool that monitor the equity. Now, if the equity goes to a negative, which means it will start eating what? It will start eating or taking the money from margin. And that is very dangerous, because once you reach this, the margin level here will go to 100, and then it will actually move way down until it's 50, and then you blow the account. And then here it will be red. This whole part, if you're using MT5, it will be red. So it is very important for you to make sure that when you risk, you completely understand the fundamental principle or the fundamental of that we go through as to when we take the risk. So now, if right now we actually make a proper example, we go to MT5. This is a live example. We go to XAUUSD, we go to chart, then we edit the lot size there. Be careful also when it comes to risk, edit the lot size. And once you edit the lot size, let's actually say we edit it to 5 lot size like that, or we go to 2 lot size. This is way higher, and then we take a sell. Let's say we take a sell like this, we go to trade, and we see our trade moving here. You can see here on margin, we have this free margin is not moving because of the broker that we're using. And balance, this is the money that we have. Equity, you can see the money is counting here 1,500, which means if we close this trade, the 1,500 will be here. Make sense? Does it make sense? Simple. Now, if we lose, if we go to chart and let's go to 5M, all right, let's say right now we are risking, all right, we want to risk 3,000. Check here, we have 1,400, so we can't risk 3,000. We can't risk more than what we have, all right, on the balance. So the money that we can now risk, at least we can risk money that is on free margin. So if we go with this lot size, we must make sure that we go to chart, we press here, and we risk less than what is there on free margin here. Simple. Does it make sense? Do you understand? So we have to risk, because if you do not, this is what you will see. If it goes to 50%, the trade will be closed automatically, and there's nothing you can do. So which means 50% of margin, if you lose 50% of this money, then you'll be left with how much money they actually, the app or the counting of this app will make it easier for you. So if right now you lose 50% of this money, it will go to balance. Simple as like that. I trust it makes sense. Everybody understand. So you can see right now, if it goes way below, we are losing. So it's important to only understand that when you risk money that is on margin, on free margin, not on margin, because that will put you on a negative on a long run. So you'll actually be what? You'll actually not be making money, because right now you can see the money that is actually being taken away. We are already minusing money from what? From the margin. So margin is money not meant to be lost. So we can't actually risk that amount. So always when we take a risk, some brokers they go as high as 70%. You can see trade is closed. Did you see what just happened? This is what will happen when you actually don't understand the part of how we actually risk. And if you go higher, like risking more than what is there on free margin. So now, if you like to grow a small account, pay attention to that margin. Pay attention to margin. Pay attention to free margin. That is why it's important to use demo always, so that you can be able to risk well. If right now your risk is, if you go to chart, you want to risk, let's say you take a trade here, there's 0.01 or 0.05. We take a sell. All right, we take a sell. We press here, we press SL, and your maximum points that you risk on gold, let's say you're risking 600 points. If you're risking 600 points, then always make sure that you understand how much is 600 points. We have another tutorial whereby I explain how the point works, how to actually trade using these points. Because if right now, let's close this trade, I want to show you something. If right now we actually go with one standard lot, just for example, we take a sell, it's going to show no, not enough money. Let's actually, we're using 0.50. Just for example, we take a sell, we take a sell trade, and we press here, we press SL, and let's look at 600 here, 600 points. You see, this is 334. If we go to trade, already we are risking way too much. We are risking way too much. So, important, make sure that if you are risking 600 points here, use lower lot size. Because I know some traders, they are so confused as to the stop loss, the risk. They don't even understand what they need to do. So this is how you actually risk. All right, money that is on free margin, important. All right, an asset with a high leverage, it's good. And as just like when I trade for 3075, it's only mainly because of if I go to let's say right now we close this one, and let's go to for 3075. We go to for 3075, we go to chart, and we change to 0.50, and we click buy. And the points here are a bit different. They're not the same as that one. You can see here the margin is what, 13. So we need less margin. So there's some asset which they need less margin, which is good, puts you on the positive side. Because the less the margin, the more free margin you have, and the more freedom of how you actually risk. So trust it makes sense for many traders to understand this. So with that being said, be careful of this so that you understand part of your growing account, this is what you have to pay attention to. This is what you have to pay attention to. So the points are a bit different when it comes to the asset because of what, if you go to quotes, the pricing is not the same. So the points for volatility 75 are a bit different. So if you press SL like this, you'll be able to count. You can see here, this is 13,452 points. So it is easy to see how much you actually, this is if you're using only MT5. The app will count automatically for you. You don't have to do much of work because when the app it counts like this, it takes this price and this price minus, and then you get these points. And then once you get these points times by what? By the lot size. It is simple, it is easy, it is straightforward. So if you have any questions, you let me know. I love you all. Stay blessed.